Just always nice to come in and find new parts waiting. This is how it looks, queued up, 3 parts ready to be printed. I'm going to do a preview, and it will build the layers. It will slice up the models. That's how it looks as it prints out virtually, and it will work out all of the print patterns and whether any supports are needed. The yellow is the supports, and on these models I have managed to almost entirely eliminate the supports. In fact, if you're printing on glass, I think you probably can get away. And this is how it looks when it prints out in the real world overnight. Just always a joy when a print works overnight, and it should work overnight. The printer is well set up, but just always nice.